Strictly tramples all over X Factor with extra 4 million viewers as Steve Brookstein delights in low ratings. The BBC dancing competition has nearly doubled the amount of people tuning in as X Factor hits a new low. The X Factor scared off more than a few viewers this Halloween after Strictly Come Dancing's special trounced the singing competition. Strictly pulled out all the stops as dancers and professionals decked out in spooky makeup helped pull in an extra 4 million viewers. Trailing considerably behind was the X Factor with just 5.6 million watching compared to the BBC dancing competition's 9.4 million average. The Halloween special saw soap star Georgia Mayfield take the lead for the first time in the competition as she scored a whopping 35 points with her Ghostbusters theme Tango. Over on ITV, the lengthy 2 hours 25-minute program failed to grab any of its rivals' fans. Always one to weigh in on X Factor failure, Steve Brookstein even tweeted a poll asking his followers whether the show was finished. After winning the first series, the singer is taking glee in the falling figures. X Factor ratings have hit a new low. Is it finished? Yes or no, he tweeted earlier today. As it was the first live show, the spooky theme was scrapped for a "This Is Meh" theme, meaning it was down 2 million viewers when compared to last year's Halloween weekend show. That also makes it down 2.5 million from last year's opening live episode. It's bad news for Simon Cowell as Strictly continues to grow its audience week on week, now nearly double the size of X Factor's figures. The first live show episode is the least watched this year, and could be the lowest ever since Series 1.